Hello everybody, I just wanted to show you this really simple cooking setup that I just made up, improvised sort of. So I took a Y-shaped wrench, hammered it into the ground next to the fire, and then I had one of these toaster thingies making toast by the fire, and I just stuck it in between, and then I just made a stick. Let me go in around it for a minute. And I just put some number 7 notches in there. And I just put the handle behind that. And now I can actually adjust it. And and it sticks, right? A little bit higher. If I want it, I can't even make it down, but you get the point. I was just improvising a little bit. So a Y shape, and there's my toaster thingy for by the fire. So I'm waiting for the fire to die down a little bit, and then I'm gonna make some steak. Okay, maybe it's time to turn it over a little bit. Yeah, it needs longer, but it's going well. I think this one better like this. Okay, give it a little bit more time. Okay, let's see if it's done. I don't know. It's not steak, by the way. I think it's pork, but fantastic. Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching.